For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Finding affordable car insurance as a senior can be challenging due to age-based risk perceptions by insurers. However, with the help of AI tools, seniors can now access better data, customized policy suggestions, and automated comparisons that drastically cut down on both time and costs. This step-by-step guide shows how seniors can leverage artificial intelligence to secure cheap car insurance. Step 1. Understand how age affects premiums. Before using AI tools, it's important to know why car insurance tends to be more expensive for seniors. As people age, insurers often see an increased risk of accidents, slower reaction times, and higher medical costs. However, this is a generalization, and many seniors are safe drivers with clean records. Use AI-based insurance education platforms like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to ask questions such as, why do insurance companies charge more after age 65? What discount can seniors qualify for? These platforms provide accurate, real-time information to help you become a more informed insurance shopper. Step 2. Gather all personal driving information. Before using any AI comparison tool or insurance assistant, gather your personal and vehicle information. Driver's license number, VIN, vehicle identification number, mileage driven per year, driving history, accidents, violations, claims, existing policy details. Once collected, this data can be entered into AI comparison tools to tailor results to your actual risk profile rather than generic assumptions based on age. Step 3. Use AI comparison tools to find the best rates. AI-powered comparison websites use machine learning to quickly scan hundreds of insurance carriers. These platforms provide personalized quotes in minutes. Top AI-driven comparison platforms include Gabi, Zebra, Insurify, Jerry AI, Compare.com. Input your personal information once, and the AI will do the work of searching for the best prices, filtering by coverage level, deductible, and carrier ratings. Tips for using AI comparison tools effectively. Always enter accurate information to avoid incorrect quotes. Choose filters based on your needs, minimum liability versus full coverage. Check user reviews and star ratings for each insurance provider. Let the AI recheck rates every 6 months. Many tools offer this feature. Step 4. Look for AI-powered discounts and incentives. AI assistants can help uncover discounts seniors may not know about. When talking to AI chatbots or filling out online forms, make sure to ask or check for senior discounts, typically for ages 55 plus. Low mileage discounts, if you drive less than 7,500 miles per year. Safe driver rewards, if you've had no recent violations. Bundling discounts, if you combine auto with home or renter's insurance. Membership discounts, ARP, AAA, alumni associations. AI tools analyze your situation and suggest all applicable discounts automatically. Platforms like Jerry or Gabi even suggest policy tweaks to qualify you for more savings. Step 5. Use AI to analyze coverage needs. Most seniors don't need as much coverage as younger drivers with new cars and long commutes. Use AI-powered insurance analyzers like ClearCover or Lemonade to determine the best coverage plan. You can also ask AI chatbots questions like, do I need collision coverage if my car is older than 10 years? Can I increase my deductible to lower my premium? What's the best liability limit for a retired driver? Based on your answers, the AI provides actionable advice to optimize your coverage and avoid overpaying. Step 6. Leverage telematics and smart driver apps. Many insurance companies offer telematics programs where your driving is monitored via a smartphone app or device. Safe driving habits can lead to big discounts. AI in these programs evaluates braking and acceleration, speeding, nighttime driving, phone usage while driving. Apps and programs to consider include Allstate DriveWise, Progressive Snapshot, State Farm Drive Safe and Save, Nationwide Smart Ride. Seniors who drive carefully and infrequently can benefit greatly. These AI systems often reduce rates by up to 25%, especially for low mileage and risk-free driving. Step 7. Ask AI agents for human help when needed. Many AI platforms offer virtual agents, but you can also get connected to a human if your situation is complex. For example, if you have unique health issues, use adaptive vehicles, or are a snowbird who lives in different states, you can instruct the AI. Connect me to an insurance agent for senior-specific advice. I need an agent who understands part-time residency coverage. AI chatbots like those on Lemonade or Insurify are trained to recognize when human assistance is required and can quickly schedule a call or direct you to an expert. Step 8. Set up automatic AI monitoring for future savings. Once you've chosen a policy, don't stop there. Rates change frequently, and many AI platforms allow ongoing monitoring. What to do? Enable rate monitoring on your comparison tool account. Allow push notifications or email alerts for better offers. Set reminders every 6 to 12 months to reshop using AI. Platforms like Gabby, Jerry, and Savvy automatically alert you if a cheaper option becomes available, ensuring that you never overpay again. Step 9. Check for government or nonprofit programs with AI assistance. Certain states offer low-cost insurance programs for seniors. AI tools can help you search government and nonprofit offerings quickly. Use AI tools like Google's AI search, ChatGPT, state DMV bots. Search for things like low-income car insurance programs for seniors in your state, state-sponsored liability coverage Florida elderly drivers, AARP or AAA auto insurance programs. These tools instantly check local regulations and eligibility, saving you the trouble of navigating complex government sites. Step 10. Review your policy with AI once a year. Each year, your situation may change. AI tools help reassess your policy in minutes. If your driving habits changed, if your car is older, if you move to a safer zip code, let AI suggest new carriers, better deductibles, coverage limits that match your lifestyle. Annual reviews with AI help keep your premiums low and your protection optimal. Conclusion. Seniors no longer need to navigate the confusing and costly car insurance process alone. By leveraging AI tools and platforms, you can quickly compare quotes, uncover discounts, customize your coverage, and reduce costs with smart automation. Instead of settling for high premiums just because of age, use these step-by-step strategies to turn AI into your personal insurance assistant. With the right data, careful questions, and intelligent tools, cheap car insurance is not just possible. It's highly achievable for seniors in today's digital age. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.